Do you have anything like this in your country? And if you have, how do you call it? Let us hear from you at the comment section. Hello guys, you are warmly welcome to MWH-54. Indeed, the Lord is our strength. As I promised you on our last video that I will make ampesie for you with the palm oil we got from our organic palm nut soup. Here you are. I dedicate this meal to all my subscribers. Please subscribe and be part of us, and I'll make something special to welcome you. Thank you all for the support, your suggestions and advice. Madam Fuonshe, Missy boarding pan nyaaduoa. Almost everything is expensive around this time of the year. Our Ghanaian market. I don't know if other African countries in the society there. But by this, I will also advise you, say, about time de na ekomo de wa eya. Sika so nifia eya na tambia efie enye de twitwiri menteme ho ase ya na doso. Friction bebre wa no. Most of them na financial issues. Misro so pesa wo na obetumi a planning nyin na. Fa ko share latter part of the year. U calculate ya se be ya ba wo be August, September, October, November, muhono. Ebesi January, crampo is fine. Satam na aduane still are for on the market. But anyesa, no be besrawa, e de asembeba. Also, kotena baby e de asembeba. Skebi obeyi biano. Enso aduane ye. Intin all the time. Ebema issues abebefi. Misro. Yene sa nemwo. Aduane we your bad time. Afei na wawo foforo ye yo episkura na we tedi bodia ema wo ko private omre bebre na ekuru na koya wo ya. So wo hwe meal ya carbohydrate no represent a very small portion. Masakra the avocado are represent some of them. Instead so obefa bodia ni bebre no obetime the pen so aka ho na wa ma stew na doso bia wo ye healthy ebema oswate ama wa maintain wo shape na wo pen kama. So with the blender here, very quick and easy. You're ready. I hope Brazil more brami yenidi. Misro, a maru say unyaba metawechi. Don't stay in abusive relationship. See you in our next video. Bye.